How to reset Omnipod-PDM, factory reset and reconnect instructions. How to reset the Omnipod-PDM. Method 1. Soft reset reboot. Step 1. Locate the reset button. Open the battery compartment on the back of the PDM. Inside you'll find a small hole labeled reset. Step 2. Perform the soft reset using a paperclip or similar tool. Gently press and hold the reset button for about 2 seconds. The PDM should reboot, and normal functionality may be restored. Method 2. Hard reset factory reset. Step 1. Deactivate the active pod on the PDM. Navigate to Home, More Actions, Change Pod. Follow the on-screen instructions to deactivate current pod. Step 2. Initiate the factory reset. Navigate to Settings, System Setup, Diagnostics, Reset PDM. Tap Reset PDM, then confirm by tapping Reset PDM again. How to reconnect your PDM after reset? Step 1. Initial setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, set the date and time, and create a PIN. Step 2. Enter personal settings. Manually input your insulin delivery settings, such as basal rates, insulin to carb ratios, and correction factors. If you have a backup of your settings, refer to it to ensure accuracy. Step 3. Activate a new pod. Tap Add New Pod from the home screen after completing the initial setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill and attach the new pod. Step 4. Pairing. Ensure the PDM is within 5 feet, 5 meters, of the pod during activation. Wait for the PDM to complete the pairing process. Step 5. Confirm setup. Once paired, the PDM will display pod status and insulin delivery information.